Volvo has long been known as an automotive manufacturer that stands out in terms of safety, elegant design, and environmentally friendly technology. Welcoming 2026, the Volvo XC60 as one of its flagship SUVs is prepared to present the evolution of modern Scandinavian design, a more efficient electrification system, and an increase in more sophisticated autonomous features. So, what does the 2026 Volvo XC60 offer? Here is the full review. The 2026 Volvo XC60 comes with a more dynamic and futuristic design approach. The front grille now has a new, more minimalist pattern, accompanied by the latest version of the Thor's hammer LED headlights that are even sharper. The body lines are made more aerodynamic, giving an elegant impression without losing the masculine identity of an SUV. The back features LED lights with Volvo's signature vertical design, but now with a more modern sequential lighting effect. A choice of 19 to 21-inch wheels is available with a new design that combines aesthetics with aerodynamic efficiency. Step inside the cabin. The 2026 XC60 offers a calm and premium atmosphere. The materials used are dominated by environmentally friendly materials, such as high-quality synthetic leather and recycled wood trim. The infotainment system now uses a 14-inch vertical touchscreen based on the latest Google Automotive OS, integrated with Google Assistant, Maps, and Play Store. The cabin is also enhanced with an active sound dampening system, smart air vents that filter pollution, and customizable ambient lighting that creates a more comfortable driving atmosphere, both day and night. The 2026 Volvo XC60 comes in several powertrain variants, including mild hybrid, B5, and B6A 2.0L, turbocharged gasoline engine combined with a 48V mild hybrid system for better efficiency and lower emissions. Plug-in hybrid recharge, T8AWD, combines a petrol engine with an electric motor producing a total power output of up to 455 horsepower and a pure electric range of up to 90 kilometers, WLTP. Full electric version, XC60 EV. Likely launched in the second half of 2026 based on the SPA2 platform, same as the EX90, with an output of over 400 horsepower and a range of over 500 kilometers per charge. The 8-speed automatic transmission is refined for smoother and more responsive gear shifts. AWD is available for all variants, supporting comfort and stability in various road conditions. The 2026 Volvo XC60 is expected to be available in global markets in the third quarter of 2025, with starting prices around XC60 B5 mild hybrid, starting at $52,000, XC60 Recharge T8, starting at $67,000, XC60 EV, if released, estimated to start at $72,000. The 2026 Volvo XC60 is the embodiment of Volvo's future vision of bringing together luxury, green technology, and high-level safety. It is suitable for those who want an elegant, intelligent, and environmentally responsible vehicle.